Should you buy a new construction home in Red Deer? Exploring the pros and cons. When it comes to purchasing a home, many buyers find themselves torn between existing properties and newly constructed homes. In Red Deer, Alberta, the allure of modern features and custom designs in new construction homes can be tempting. However, it is essential to weigh the benefits against the potential drawbacks. In this article, we will explore the key pros and cons of buying a new construction home in the Red Deer area, helping you make an informed decision. Understanding the appeal of new construction homes. New construction homes are increasingly popular among buyers for a variety of compelling reasons. Here are some key factors that contribute to their appeal. 1. First occupancy. One of the most significant advantages of buying a new construction home is the opportunity to be the first occupant. This means that everything in the house, from the walls to the appliances, is brand new. Buyers can enjoy a property that is free from wear and tear, ensuring that they do not have to deal with any hidden issues or repairs that often come with older homes. This pristine condition can provide peace of mind and a sense of excitement about moving into a space that has never been lived in before. 2. Customization options. New construction homes often allow buyers to customize various aspects of their property. This customization can range from choosing the floor plan to selecting finishes such as flooring, countertops, and cabinetry. Many builders offer design centers where buyers can make selections that reflect their personal style and preferences. This level of personalization means that buyers can create a home that truly meets their needs and tastes, making it feel more like their own. 3. Modern amenities. New homes typically come equipped with the latest amenities and features that enhance comfort and convenience. This might include open floor plans, energy-efficient appliances, smart home technology, and modern HVAC systems. Such features not only improve the quality of living but can also contribute to a more enjoyable lifestyle. For instance, energy-efficient appliances can lead to lower utility bills, while smart home technology can provide added security and convenience. 4. Compliance with latest building codes. New construction homes are built to meet the latest building codes and safety standards. These codes are regularly updated to reflect advances in construction technology, energy efficiency, and safety measures. As a result, buyers can feel more secure knowing that their home is constructed with modern materials and techniques that adhere to current regulations. This compliance can lead to fewer issues down the line, such as structural problems or safety hazards. 5. Improved energy efficiency. Many new construction homes are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Builders often incorporate energy-saving materials, high-quality insulation, and energy-efficient windows and doors. These features can significantly reduce energy consumption, resulting in lower heating and cooling costs. Additionally, many new homes come with energy-efficient appliances, which further contribute to cost savings and a reduced carbon footprint. 6. Lower maintenance costs. Because everything in a new construction home is brand new, maintenance costs are generally lower in the initial years of ownership. Homeowners are less likely to face unexpected repairs, such as plumbing issues or roof replacements, which can be common with older homes. This reduced maintenance burden can be particularly appealing to first-time buyers or those looking to minimize their responsibilities. The popular neighborhoods. In Red Deer, 2 neighborhoods stand out for new construction: Laredo and Evergreen. Understanding these areas is crucial when considering a new home. 1. Laredo. Located in the southeast part of Red Deer, Laredo is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods. It boasts a family-friendly environment, complete with parks, playgrounds, and walking trails. The community is known for its safety and appeal to young families, making it a prime location for new construction homes. 2. Evergreen. Situated in the northeast section of the city, Evergreen offers a more secluded feel. Although it is slightly removed from the city's hustle and bustle, it remains close to essential amenities and recreational areas, including golf courses. This neighborhood is also favored by families and provides a tranquil living environment. Before committing to a new construction home, it is vital to fall in love with the location. Many buyers regret their purchase simply because they did not fully consider the neighborhood. The importance of builder reputation. Another critical factor in the home buying process is the builder's reputation. In the Red Deer area, several builders have established themselves as reliable, while others may not deliver the same level of service. High volume versus low volume builders. High volume builders often produce homes quickly, but this can lead to less personalized customer service. In contrast, low volume builders may provide more attentive support and quicker responses to inquiries. It is essential to research and choose a builder that aligns with your expectations and needs. Personal experience. Many homeowners, including myself, have encountered challenges with builders. For example, during my home construction experience, I struggled with customer support despite the quality of workmanship. Understanding these dynamics can help you avoid potential pitfalls. The value of realtor representation. When purchasing a new construction home, utilizing a realtor can be immensely beneficial. Many buyers are unaware that the commissions for realtors are typically included in the purchase price. This means that hiring a realtor does not increase your costs. Instead, their expertise can guide you through the complex process, ensuring you make informed decisions about inspections, contracts, and builder reputations. The cons of buying new construction homes. While new construction homes have many advantages, there are also significant drawbacks to consider. Here are some of the main cons. 1. Open-ended timelines. One of the most significant challenges in buying new construction is the uncertainty surrounding possession dates. Builders may provide vague timelines, especially for custom builds, which can lead to frustration. Spec homes. While spec homes may offer a more predictable timeline, they still do not guarantee an exact possession date. Many buyers find themselves in a difficult position if they are renting or have a home to sell, as aligning these timelines can be tricky. 2. Increased financial risks. Buying a new construction home can involve considerable financial risk. During the construction phase, buyers often pay a deposit, which ranges from 5% to 20% of the purchase price. If unforeseen circumstances arise, such as job loss or financial hardship, buyers may be unable to complete the sale, resulting in the forfeiture of their deposit. Interest rate changes. Additionally, if the construction timeline extends beyond the initial agreement, buyers may face increased interest rates when it comes time to finance the home. This situation can create additional stress and financial burden. 3. Tax implications. In Alberta, new construction homes are subject to a 5% goods and services tax, GST. While some builders may incorporate this tax into the purchase price, others may not. Buyers should carefully investigate whether the GST is included in the quoted price to avoid unexpected costs during the closing process. 4. Unexpected costs. New construction homes often come with additional expenses that buyers may not anticipate. For instance, many builders do not include appliances like washers and dryers, window coverings, or landscaping in the base price. These costs can quickly add up, potentially reaching thousands of dollars. 5. Ongoing construction. Living in a newly developed area often means dealing with ongoing construction. This can lead to noise, dust, and inconvenience as the neighborhood continues to develop. Many buyers find this aspect challenging, especially if they value peace and quiet. The advantages of new construction homes. Despite the potential downsides, new construction homes offer several compelling benefits. 1. Customization. One of the most appealing aspects of new construction is the ability to customize your home. Buyers can select floor plans, finishes, and features that suit their preferences, ensuring that their home reflects their style and needs. 2. Warranty protection. In Alberta, homes built after 2014 are required to have a new home warranty. This warranty typically covers: first year, bumper-to-bumper coverage for any issues that arise. 2 years, coverage for major distribution systems, including plumbing and electrical. 5 years, protection for building envelope issues, such as roofing and siding. 10 years, coverage for structural and foundational problems. This warranty provides peace of mind for buyers, knowing that they are protected against potential defects. 3. No bidding wars. In a hot real estate market, bidding wars can drive up prices and create stress for buyers. When purchasing a new construction home, particularly if you are building from scratch, you typically avoid these competitive situations. This allows for a more straightforward purchasing process. Making an informed decision. Buying a new construction home in Red Deer can be a rewarding experience, but it is essential to approach the decision with care. Consider the pros and cons outlined in this article, and take time to research neighborhoods, builders, and the potential costs involved. Conclusion: take the next step. If you are contemplating a new construction home, ensure that you gather all the necessary information and consider your personal circumstances. By being thorough in your research and utilizing professional guidance, you can make a confident decision. For more insights on real estate and home buying, be sure to check out our other videos and articles. If you have questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Your journey to finding the perfect home starts with informed choices. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.